Hi, good morning. This is Mrs. Kerner. I am just making a really quick video to show Adam how to find his past assignments. I'm missing a couple of math assignments on Khan Academy. What I'm more concerned about is that I'm missing some of those tests, and those I need as a true gauge on how he's doing so I can better assess him for his report card grade. So I'd like to show him how he can find his assignments that are past due. So on my screen, as you can see right here, I made my own student account in my classroom, so it's going to be a little bit different because it's all of my missing assignments essentially, or all of my stuff. But Adam's should look fairly similar to this because I'm a part of the same classroom. Right now, Adam is missing some past assignments, and right here in this list, you can see all of his active, which means that these are the assignments he needs to do by Sunday, and that's what he'll find in this list. It doesn't go any further past than what's due right now or this week. So what he needs to do is he needs to go up to this button up here right next to active assignments, and he needs to click past. That's going to be any and all assignments that have been assigned on Khan Academy since we started our distance learning. So here it says like when it was due, and it'll say if he has done it or not. I am missing some things from him. Most importantly, I'm missing some tests from Adam. Right now from Adam, I'm missing his perimeter test, I believe it is. I'm sorry, his area test. He did his perimeter test. I'm missing his area test, and then I'm missing a measurement, data, and geometry test. So I'm going to show you where you can find those. So this is the most recent of his past assignments. So these are the things that were due last week. And what I need for him to do is, I think he did his, yes, he did his quadrilateral test. So I'm going to go into past assignments, and he will have already done his quadrilateral unit test. That was from last week, but he just needs to keep going back. So this is the third page back that I went. And right here you will see area test. It was due May 3rd. Sunday, May 3rd was when it was technically due. So he needs to go back and he needs to do that so I can see what he has learned and what he knows for area. If he needs to redo some of the past assignments that teach him about area, please have him do that as well. Otherwise, right here, this is the other quiz that I'm missing from Adam, which is measurement, data, and geometry. He needs to go back and do this one. So it's right next to the area unit test, and then it should be one up from there to do the quiz. Again, if he needs to do practice problems, like redo an assignment that he had already done to help prepare him, then have him do that as well. But these are the two that I'm missing from Adam right now on Khan Academy, and I'd really like for him to get those done by the end of this week, just so that he's not falling behind his classmates. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Otherwise, I'll just keep on the lookout and see if Adam has done it throughout the week. Thanks.